Hello and welcome back to Kalkain TV. Glad to have your company with us today. You're watching The Hot Performers. In today's show, we'll be looking at the recent news concerning Woolworths pulling back an offer for an API. The Aussie supermarket giant made headlines last month for submitting a non-binding acquisition proposal to Australian Pharmaceutical Industries, and they've recently announced that it'll now be withdrawing its bid. The decision has come as a relief to many pharmacy operators concerned that the proposal could threaten community pharmacies in regional areas. Woolworths have stated that this decision has come after a comprehensive due diligence process. Its inability to validate and ensure that the financial returns it requires for the group's capital allocation framework would be duly met has emerged as a hindrance in this formally proposed acquisition. Let's dive into the details. Well, the Woolworths Group had offered to acquire all shares of API at a price of $1.75 a share, valuing API business at around $872 million. The offer price was at a premium of 12.9% over the price agreed between API and Wesfarmers in a scheme implementation deed announced earlier in the year. Woolworths was also very willing to explore other control structures, which it was to take up post the approval of API directors. So had Woolworths been successful with the deal, it would have had ownership of API's established pharmaceutical and healthcare products retail store network and also their skincare clinics. In itself, it would have been a compelling strategic rationale to support the acquisition decision of API for Woolworths. Overall, the combination of API and Woolworths businesses was expected to bring significant shared benefits and synergies. With this bid, Woolworths had emerged as a rival for the existing bidder Wesfarmers, seeking to buy into API's business. This withdrawal has also come as a relief to Wesfarmers management and investors naturally. Woolworths made a special offer to Wesfarmers bid of $1.55 a share. And the company has been relatively hopeful for its bid against API. The boss of Wesfarmers, Rob Scott, was previously reported to have said that API would form the basis of a Wesfarmers healthcare division. Safe to say this has come as a great relief to the company. Well, to wrap up, Woolworths CEO Brad Banducci has said that the company is grateful to the board and leadership team of API for their constructive engagement and support throughout the due diligence process. API has already entered into a scheme implementation deed with Wesfarmers and is scheduled to conclude in the first quarter of this year. The Wesfarmers bid is worth $1.55 a share. Well, that is all for now on the Hot Performers, but tune in next time for more only on Kalkain TV. Holly Shields signing off.